at that. Right, so this is my next stop, in London. It's the second spot. If you're into sweetie cake and stuff like that, then yeah, see here, the dessert there. Quite sick, man. So if you're into that, then definitely check it out. Not big, as here people are making burgers as well. Taking its time, patient. Yeah, sick, man. Oh, it smells amazing. I think that's a tuna. It smells like tuna. Yeah, it's dark. Confit burger there. It's like, I think it will set you back about £8, or if you want just fat chips, it will cost you about £4. Mainly international food here. So look at all this amazing food here, man. Amazing. But for this one, it's like £40, £4.50. Look at that. Hello. So it's brilliant, man. Look at all this fish, all this food here, man. It's amazing. I'm just going around just checking, like, yeah. Look at that. Look at that, so many options, man, amazing. Oh wow, wow, more food, man, more food. So like this place is called South Bank. Okay, it's mainly international food that you can find here. So look at what these guys are making. It's a keep calm and chat on. That's sick, man. One dosa? See, so, so they make a dosa here. So if you're a vegetarian, voila, jackpot. So it's just Indian street food. Can you see that? Amazing. Let me get a bit closer. Look at the way the guys are making this thing, man. It's going all the way around. La la la. It's like, it just reminds me of roti chana. How the way you're making it. Huh?
Get your facts right.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying, it just reminds me. I'm not saying it's roti.
Dosa.
Yeah, it's a dosa, I know. I know about food, mate. No, it smells amazing, man. I like the aroma, man. It's amazing.
Thank you.
So look at that burger. Whoa. Man, look at that. It's so big and fatty, man. Look at all the chips there as well. Potato chips. That's sick, man. So I've been walking literally. So that's the way you can explore London. So I walk everywhere, and especially if you're into videos making it. Man, look at this, man. Sick. Look at that. Bloody hell, man. This place is literally on fire. So it's starting to build up a little bit now. So you got bacon here as well. Hello, mate. You alright? Whoa, look at this.
Sorry, if you're fasting, you may not like this, and please don't swallow your saliva, because this curry is high popping, and it's a must try when you visit this market, because it's bring all your evocative memories to life.
Oh my god, this actually caught my heart. I think I'm gonna get one of this. I'm literally gonna get one of this, man. For example, that looks absolutely appetizing, man. Do you take a look at that? It's like £7, man. It's the curry. It's all about all this amazing curry, man. It smells good. It's a chicken. Is that chicken, right?
All of them.
It's all chicken.
My friend.
It's a chicken curry, yeah?
Medium spice, very mild one.
Right.
And the last one is the spicy.
Oh, brilliant. That's the spicy one. You know, I'm gonna come here again, yeah? It's like, I'm just gonna check them out. It literally caught my eye, man. It's like, it's amazing. Highly
Look at that lovely dinner.
It's lovely indeed, man. Look at that. Look at the decoration, like
Beautiful.
the way yeah, it's amazing, man. So is that yours?
Yeah, that's
What a selection. You're gonna share that? Brilliant. Some more food here, man. This place will make you, if you're sad, you come here, definitely, man. It will make your day. Look at all this burger, man. It's a cheeseburger there. Cheeseburger, man. Look at that. Hello. You guys alright? Hi. Wow. Look at that. Huh? You want to try it? Oh, wow. Thank you. Really good, man. I love it. Wow. That is so amazing. So tasty, man. I like the cheese there, man. What kind of cheese is that?
It's a mild cheddar.
Wow. I love it. Thank you. Wow, that's amazing, man. Look at that. Whoa. Brilliant, man. Wow. So I think just put the tomato there. There's a chicken. It's fried. You got like pepper there. Whoa. Wow. Okay, adding the beans as well. Shit. That is sick, man. That is sick. You got magic skills, yeah? Yeah, you want to show me? Show me some magic skills, mate. Yeah?
Okay, so we're just going to take, cut the deck. Like
Alright.
no, cut the deck.
I want me to cut it, okay.
Like a small amount.
Okay.
Flip it over.
That's it.
And now,
Ladies and gentlemen,
cut the deck again.
let's cut it again. A large amount, yeah? Like that?
Yeah, sure.
Nice.
So the first top card is that one.
Yeah, that one.
Show the camera if you want. Okay.
So that's what I got there. So you're not seeing that, yeah?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
You want me to put it anywhere?
yeah, put it in anywhere. Actually, just put it in anywhere. Anywhere you want. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in there.
Yeah.
Just gonna square up. Okay. So now,
Impress me.
I'm gonna go through the deck, right?
Okay.
And I'm just gonna.
Finger crossed, mate.
I'm gonna actually, I'm gonna take the top card, which is the 8 of diamonds, okay?
Yeah. 8.
Okay, so now give me a hand, I'm gonna put the 8 of diamonds in your hand, and do you mind if you put your hand on top?
You want to put your hand on top? Oh, yeah.
So now the second top card, which is now the top card, is the 8 of hearts, okay? So now I'm gonna take the 8 of hearts, and I'm just gonna, I have the 8 of diamonds, and now you have your card, the jack of spades.
Are you joking? Nah, do you do that, man? You got tricks, man. Oh, respect, man. Respect. That is sick. Plug it. Plug your Instagram. Come on. Do it quick. Okay, brilliant, man. So take care, young man, yeah? Alright. Look at all this amazing food here, man. They saw me for magic trick. Of course, the day can't even get better. Oh my, look at this. Look at the chicken samosa, man. Hey, can I get one, please? I cannot see this. I'm not trying. Obviously, I'm gonna try this. It's amazing, man. Oh, this is the Indian samosa?
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant, man. I love the Indian one because when I was in Penang, Malaysia, I tried so many, literally. Freaking cheap. I'm excited, man. So it's my second time coming here, and I love it, man. People all queuing. They're excited. I got the feeling they're excited for it. Oh, this guy's smiling. Hey, I like that smile though. I capture that. Alright, so I got this. Holy cow. You say cards?
Yeah, we do.
Okay, brilliant then. Oh, sick. Oh man, look at all this. I'm excited, man. This place is like heaven. So much food, man. Oh, you can go then? No, you're alright. I'm not good, cheers. Hello. Oh yeah, thank you. So I just bought that samosa, man. Like, it looks sick, man. Just by myself, man. Look at this, man. It's £2 for just this. It's expensive, man. It's not cheap. It's not cheap at all. The reason why I went there, that lady was cute, man. No. The peas there. It's a chicken. A bit of onions there. It's not spicy at all. I like that. It's super hot, but for just £2 just for one, I think it's a lot of onions in there. Yeah, not bad though. Now I have to try this, man. This curry. I've got to try some must for me, man. Look at this. It's so good, man. It looks so good, isn't it? This one was this spice expensive, but it's not bad. It's very tasty. Very nice, man. Right, so I'm getting the spicy curry one. Yeah. Thank you. So you take card, yeah? Oh. Would you like white rice? So that's my food there. Oh, nice. Very nice, man. I got water as well. Spicy curry, it's a chicken curry. And the rice is quite yellowish, so thank you. I need a bit of that as well. Got that. Oh, I need somewhere to sit. Man. Okay, I'm gonna go like on the stairs. Yeah, I'm gonna go over there. Can you see the stairs over there? So I'm gonna sit there. Sit on the stairs and review this. Look at this. See the view of the back there, the background. You can see.
ਹੈਲੋ ਫਰੈਂਡ, ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਮਿਡਲ ਕਲਾਸ ਜਨਤਾ ਵਾਲਾ। ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਦੀ ਇਨਕੁਆਇਰੀ ਜਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਅਪਲੋਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਈਮੇਲ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਨੰਬਰ WhatsApp ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੈਂਡ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਾ